Right now, Bitcoin is creating a rising wedge, and in this exact video, I will be talking about this price chart for Bitcoin right now. I will talk about the Bitcoin 4-hourly time frame that currently is literally trading against a very important level of resistance, and I will be talking about the most important consolidation phases right now that are literally on the verge of breaking out. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. It's going to be a very important one, and can we once again slap up those likes back above 500? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And first of all, in the imminent short term, we can see Bitcoin has been recovering a little bit here on the imminent short term, but while this is happening, we're creating a very important few amounts of trend lines, because on the 1-hour time frame, we can first of all spot this important trend line towards the downside right here, where Bitcoin is creating a downward sloping 1-hour resistance line, and at the same time we can see that we're forming this small resistance line here towards the upside right now as well, and at the same time we're forming this upward sloping support line. So right now in the imminent short term, it looks to be that Bitcoin is creating somewhat of a rising wedge, and the rising wedge is typically speaking a little bit more of a bearish bias pattern. But for me, if I will be seeing the Bitcoin price action break above this resistance here on the top side, I'm expecting a significant further continuation towards the upside. However, if we do break below this important support right here, that is the point where I will be expecting a potential more significant dump towards the lower side. So there are two scenarios that I'm currently looking at. The 1-hour support, if we break below it, I'm expecting further continuations towards the downside, and if we break above this 4-hour resistance on the top side, I'm expecting a more significant move towards the upside for Bitcoin. You can also clearly see it right now happening on the 12-hour time frame, because the 12-hour time frame for Bitcoin is also coming closer and closer towards that potential breakout we've been waiting for. Right now we're in approximately 4 days out before we for sure will be seeing the breakout, but currently again on this 12-hourly candle we've seen a significant rejection from the downward sloping resist line, and for me I'm just waiting to see whenever we're going to confirm the breakout. If we confirm the breakout, that is the point where I will be expecting a more significant continuation up or a more significant continuation towards the downside for Bitcoin. So that is where I will be waiting for, and of course once this pattern does decide to be breaking out, we will be having a very significant move here on the market. We will either see a move towards the upside around $32,000 or we're either going to see a significant dump towards the downside all the way down to $26,000 to $25,000. So these are the two price targets I'm currently aiming for, and you will be of course the first one to know on the channel as soon as we do see a breakout on this pattern right here. You can clearly also see that this is the second time Bitcoin is creating such kind of a consolidation phase, and last time around we broke bearish before ultimately having a very big push towards the upside. Potentially we could see something very similar for Bitcoin. Recently, due to the fact that Bitcoin has been going so sideways, actually we've been seeing that meme coins are really exploding. Coins like Pepe has been absolutely skyrocketing, and like you can see here, in just the past 8 days it skyrocketed over 900% towards the upside, what is actually quite insane of course. And at the same time we can actually see that many other meme coins are also exploding. So while Bitcoin is going sideways, currently, I am making a lot of money not from trading Bitcoin right now at the moment, because yeah, there's just not a lot of significant breakouts happening for Bitcoin, but I'm making majority of my money from trading meme coins right now here. So yes, once Bitcoin does decide to be breaking out, I will be jumping back into trading again here, but for now on, I'm just monitoring the price chart for Bitcoin, and as soon as we do see that next breakout, that will be the point where I will be really starting to be opening up a new trade for Bitcoin. So currently, I'm just waiting for the next opportunity. I'm currently still in a small short position on Bitcoin. I still think there's a very likely scenario that Bitcoin could see a breakdown, but currently I am just waiting for the next move on Bitcoin. I mean, if we do break out towards the upside, I'm going to significantly open up a Bitcoin long position, and if we will have a bearish breakdown, I will be significantly open up a shorting position for Bitcoin. So for me right now, it's just waiting. It's a waiting game, and whenever we see the confirmed breakout, I'm going to be jumping in towards a massive trade for Bitcoin to make a significant amount of money. So make sure to subscribe to the channel right now to stay exactly up to date about that. And if you're interested in trading, check out Bybit in the link in the description. If you want to be trading without KYC, you have to check out BitGet in the link in the description, where you can also trade altcoins and cryptocurrencies in general. But if you're interested in trading in general, don't forget to check out the links in the description, because if you sign up an account to any of these crypto trading exchanges using the link in the description, you can actually claim an additional deposit bonus. So make sure to check it out. On the daily time frame as well, we we can clearly see important consolidation range. We're about to be breaking out potentially towards the upside right now. So that is definitely a very good thing for Bitcoin right now. And at the same time, we can clearly see that if we're looking at the VPVR, we're still holding on towards the $27,000 and we're currently in a small little downtrend. So the question really is here, will we be breaking out of this trend right here towards the upside or towards the downside? And if we do break bearish and we break below this important level of support, that is the confirmation that I'm expecting a move down to $24,000 is going to be happening, but only if Bitcoin does decide to be breaking below $27,000. So a confirmed break below $27,000 would confirm a target around $24,000 in my opinion. Furthermore, we can see that on the daily time frame for Bitcoin right here, Bitcoin is consolidating still. We're just waiting to see whenever the next move is going to be happening. Bitcoin has been going sideways for quite a while right now here, and at some stage here in this trend, we're going to see a breakout. And once the breakout happens, that is the point where I would start to be opening up new Bitcoin positions again here. And to be very clear, on the weekly time frame, the level to break is 31.7k. If we break above 31.7k with a confirmed weekly candle close above, I'm expecting that actually the bull market for Bitcoin could be starting any moment again here, and we could see an even more significant rally up all the way back towards $45,000 for Bitcoin. So yeah, I'm going to keep everyone up to date about what currently is playing out here in this market, but as soon as we do break above this level right here, I will definitely turn very bullish for Bitcoin. But as long as we're not breaking above this level, I will be very, very cautious. So that was it for me on today's update video. Yet again, short update video. Not a lot of stuff is currently happening. We're just waiting to see that next breakout. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.